Open MS Word Office. Control P or printer icon. Make sure po na puno ang ink ng printer. Next, go to Printer Properties. Click Maintenance. Print Head Nozzle Check. Click Print. Click Clean. Click Start. Click Print Head Patterns. Wait nyo na lang po siya pag nag-cleaning. Ito po yung print ng nozzle check. Pag may putol-putol, i-head cleaning po ulit.